Ciuria cigimainie na uria cukari utakinyanire ikiro warekereirio thoko-ini igithie na mbere kwiyumiria. Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa uramati wa ukinyaniru wa INDO wa IHINDA ESTHER ngari ni akinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie wonjoria. Kamiti ino ikienda kwenjera uria mahitia maya mahanikire. Ngari ni arire kamiti ino kiro 52 cia cukari uyu nicio marekitie kuhithukia iria ciarekereirio thoko-ini na kwa ihinda riri mihango ya guthurima cukari uyu ni rathie na mbere.
KEBS, would you tell us whether you've this is a matter of public interest, you've not done any sampling, some laboratory tests to confirm whether the sugar that you've confiscated from wherever is good for human consumption?
After learning of the alleged loss of the sugar with suspicion that it had been released into the market to unsuspecting consumers, Kenya Bureau of Standards immediately sanctioned a countrywide market surveillance activity which is still ongoing.
Kuringana na ngari makunyeirwo ndeto ino ni ruhonge rwa ugacero no kamiti ino ni ikirire nganja gitumi kia ndeto ino kubuka mwaka uyu kuona cukari uyu wagirireirio kuhuthirwo ni muingi mwaka-ini wa 2018.
The team convened at the warehouse where Vine Park Limited kept the sugar. There were 2 seals and a padlock. The team then proceeded to break the padlock and the seals. Upon breaking the seals and padlock, it was found that the warehouse was empty.
Kwirikanite cukari uyu waigitwo thito-ini ya Vine Park mwena wa Thika wetereire kuhuthika uthondeki-ini wa ethanol no gikaro-ini kia umuthi ciuria cia kana kwina riboti ya hurirwo riria kwamenyekire cukari uyu nduriho ni ciyumiririe na ho riboti iria ngari atemanirie igitumura ciuria cia ni kambuni iriku yarehire cukari uyu bururi-ini.
Giving the devil enough time to contemplate and to make sure that this sugar will end up being taken by human beings. Honestly, is this fair?
Kumariria ndeto ino ya ubukire ni kuombirwo honge itiganite thirikari-ini ari ni hamwe na KEBS na KRA. Amemba kamiti ino makiuga ruhonge rwa KEBS rwaya gukorwo ni rukirite mihaka ya ruo ya kiwira ndeto-ini ino.
When the sugar was placed in the godown, it was put custom seal, and as I had indicated earlier, it was under KRA, and the seals which had been which had secured the godowns were KRA seals.
At that point, I think the multi agency was working as a team. Is it? It's only that at the point of disappearance of the sugar is where it's unknown by the KEBS probably.
Kiwatho wira wa KEBS ni kuanirira kwaga gukinyanira kwa indo na kuhitukia cithukangio. Amwe a memba kamiti-ini ino magikuwira kuigirio kwa uteti ndeto-ini ino kuona honge ingi iria ikuruhanite ndeto-ini ino ta KRA itirakuithio murigo.
Who then, because if you do not have a role beyond condemnation, how then could you and Galgamesh have written to you, and how could you have allowed Galgamesh then to actually convert this product to something else?
Iria ndeto ino ya ubukire, President ni afutire wira maafitha 27 ruhonge-ini rwa KEBS ari ni hamwe na uria urari murugamiriri munene Bernard Njiraini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washige.
Social responsibility.